Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This here, it is a water filtration system. It's rechargeable, has LED lights, it's 5-stage water filtration system, and long endurance. Same things here. It has a smart battery, recharge reminder. Here's some specs here. Uses USB-C to charge, and here's the battery capacity. Alright, let's open it up. So this would be good for when you go camping or somewhere you know there's not going to be like facilities, or even if you're at home and your water's bad. So here is the manual here. It comes in this bag you can flip on and off. Has a button and Velcro here so you can attach it to anything, as well as a carabiner. Mesh pocket here for your stuff. Here it is. There's a button here, I think. There's a warning, read before use. About the size of like a Coke can. Here's where you charge, USB-C. Here's the light. They're on, and the light, I guess. Here's the light, it's on. It's on and off, no level of brightness. And as you see, it has three, it has the LEDs here. And there's 3 ways, 3 out of 4. And then here's the outlets for this, the cleaner water. And this was the inlet. Nothing on the bottom here, some rubber here. And then I guess if you need to switch out the filter to get out. So here we have the box here. You got a braided USB-C cable. There's a filter, I believe. There, some tubing, clip of some sort. There's some more tubing, and then yeah, USB-C braided cable. Alright, so if you're interested in this filtration system, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.